Exercise 12.1 Problem 6 discussion. One card is drawn randomly from a well-shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the drawn card is a diamond, not an ace. Okay, so basically you are drawing a card from a shuffled deck. It has actually 52 cards, right? And what are we asked? We are asked to find the probability of drawing a diamond. So let's take this case. In this case, the deck has got 52 playing cards. So which means when you draw one card, there are 52 possible ways of drawing that card. Either the first card can be drawn, second or third, whatever is that. There are 52 cards there. So there are 52 possible ways of selecting the card. So n of s is 52. Now, let's say the event is drawing a diamond card. How many diamond cards are there? 13 diamond cards are there. And anybody who is familiar with it will know there are 13 diamond cards. Okay, so probability of getting a diamond card is 13 divided by 52. Okay, and for not a diamond, see, this is actually, if you know diamond, not a diamond, there are two ways of doing this problem. Not a diamond is 1 minus probability of diamond. Probability of getting a diamond. That is the easiest way of doing it. So we just now saw that the probability of getting a diamond card is 13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. So this will be not a diamond, means 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. That's the easiest way of doing it. Now the another way of doing it is, you have out of 52 cards, 13 cards are diamond. So how many cards are there not diamond? So that is basically 52 minus 13, 39 cards are not diamond cards. You might have, actually we have 13 spade cards, 13 heart-in cards and 13 claver cards, right? So 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is 39 cards are there. So 39 by 52, that is 3 by 4. That is one way of doing. Okay. Not an ace. Similarly, we have to do as we did for this. So find the probability of ace. Probability of getting an ace. How many aces are there? There are 4 aces are there. A claver, A diamond, A heart, and A spade, right? 4 aces are there. So probability of getting an ace is 4 by 52. That is 1 by 14. Am I right? And not an ace means 1 minus 1 by 14. That is 13 by 12 by 13. Okay. So that is how this problem needs to be worked out. Now, let's list it out. Given shuffled deck of cards, which is actually having 52 cards. We are asked to find probability of getting a diamond, not an ace. Formula as usual, probability of A is n of A divided by n of S. Okay, let A be the event of getting a diamond card. Find n of A and n of S. N of S, we know how many number of cards are there? 52. So n of S is 52. How many diamond cards are there? N of A, 13 cards are there. So n of A is 13. So which means probability of getting a diamond card is n of A divided by n of S. That is equal to 13 divided by 52. Probability of getting not a diamond. See, the probability of all events is 1, right? So probability of getting a not diamond is 1 minus probability of A. So 1 minus, I think is 1 by 4 here, which comes here. So that is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Next, probability of getting a not an ace, you have to do the same thing. So ace, how probability of getting an ace we'll have to calculate. How many a's are there? 4 a's are there. So probability of getting an ace is 4 by 52, that is 1 by 13, right? 1 by right, so then probability of getting not an ace is 1 minus probability of not getting an ace. So that is how we need to work this problem. Okay, so in which case it will be 1 minus 1 by 13, that will be 12 by 13 will be the probability of not getting an ace. Okay, so now let's work this problem together. Number of cards in a deck of playing cards is 52. There are altogether 52 cards in the in a deck. So n of s is 52. Now the n of s is the number of ways in which you can select a card is 52. So the sample space is 52. As I told you, that is one way of looking at it. Another way of looking at it, how many ever cards are there, that will be the n of s. So let A be the event of getting a diamond. How many diamond cards are there? There are 13 diamond cards. So n of A is 13, or the number of ways you select a diamond card is 13. So that is what n of A is 13. So what is probability of an event A? That is probability of getting a diamond is n of A divided by n of s. That is 13 divided by 52. That is 1 by 4. So probability of getting a diamond card is 1 by 4. Now let's say probability of getting a spade card. It's the same problem. The total number of cards is 52. N of s is 52. How many diamond cards are there? The diamond cards are spade cards are there 13. So n of A will be 13, and probability of getting a spade will be 13 by 52. Now if they say probability of getting an king, how many king cards are there? You have king claver, king spade, king ace, king heart, right? So there are 4 kings there. So total number of cards is the same, 52. And probably the king, how many king cards are there? 4. So probably getting a king card is 4 by 52. Let's think how many. What's the probability getting a queen card? How many queen cards are there? 4 queen cards are there. Queen spade, queen claver, queen diamond, queen heart. Am I right? So probability of getting a queen card is 4 by 52. That is 1 by 13. So that is how this problem needs to be worked. Now, probability of getting not a diamond is always 1 minus p of probability of getting diamond. Here A is probability of getting A is event of getting diamond. So not a diamond is 1 minus p by A. That is 1 by 1 minus 4. That is 3 by 4. This is one way of doing. Another way, little roundabout. Not diamond means it can be claver, it can be spade, it can be heart. So how many cards are there? Those cards. A number of heart, number of spade, a number of claver is 13 plus 13 plus 13. So 39 cards are there which are not diamond. So probability of getting a not diamond is 13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. Oh, sorry, 13 by 52 is 3 by 4. 13 will go 39 3 times, and 52 it will go 4 times. So it will be 3 by 4. That is another way of doing, but this is easier way of doing, right? Next, probability of getting an ace is, how many ace cards are there? 4. Total number of cards are actually, so this is B. It's not A, it is B. Because here we are defining the because A we have already defined as probability of getting diamond. So let B be the event of getting an ace. So we have to be a little different. So number of ace cards is 4. So n of B is 4. Probability of the event B is n of B divided by n of S. That is 4 divided by 52. That is 1 by 13. So probability of getting an ace is 1 by 13. Probability of getting not an ace is 1 minus P of B, right? Because P of B is getting an ace. 1 minus P of B is not getting an ace. That is 1 minus 1 by 13. That is 12 by 13. Okay? Right. Now, that's how ace. There are 4 aces. I think I need to explain this. A claver, A spade, A diamond, A heart. Right? That is what it says. This is another way of looking at it. So you have 4 ace cards. Not ace cards means 52 minus 4. That is 48 non-ace cards are there. So probability of getting a not ace card is 48 divided by 52. 48 divided by 52, 4 will go 12 times, so that is 12, and 4 will go in 52 13 times, that is 12 by 13. There is another way of doing, but this is a easier and simpler way of doing this problem. Okay, so if you have an event A, and if you have probability of A value with you, probability of not A is 1 minus probability of A. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this video one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.